Everyone, welcome to the vlog. It is my birthday trip. My husband Key has taken me here for a long weekend and this is honestly the best present ever. I am feeling so spoiled. I am absolutely obsessed with the villa. I'm just going to show you what it's looking like. After we arrived, we were starving, so we went to the restaurant at the accommodation and we just had some satay ayam, so some chicken satay, and we had some fried rice, some nasi goreng, and it was so good. If you don't know, I was born in Indonesia. I was born in Jakarta and I grew up here for a few years, so I was practicing a little bit of my Bahasa Indo with the Gojek driver, and then we were like having a little bit of conversation, and then at some point I just like stopped understanding him and it was getting too deep and I just had to be like, sorry, like my Indonesian's actually really bad, and that's all I can converse. But honestly, it was really nice to practice it and to feel I could carry a short but still a conversation with someone. After we had a little snack at the restaurant, we headed on over to a spa that's right straight into my first massage. So I had booked this prior to the trip at Goldust Spa and it was stunning. Felt so spacious and I would seriously recommend the spa. It felt really clean and definitely a lot more luxurious than I was expecting. He and I are about to head out for dinner. He's taking me somewhere for my birthday and I'm so excited. And honestly, I forgot how freaking humid Bali is. Only been here for like 2 minutes to come outside to talk to you and I'm freaking sweating. we are just heading out now. We're going to do a cooking class. It's just at our accommodation, and we're doing a Balinese menu. And I'm so excited. We booked this before our trip, and I'll definitely take you along. It's going to be like a 5-course menu.